And then how long does a region have to spend as a DO, which is a denomination de origin, before applying to become a DOCA or a DOQ? So we're talking about the quality pyramid, right? So at the very top is the DOCA, and in Catalonia it's DOQ. So it's denomination de origin calificada, or the denomination de origin qualificada. Is that
Yep.
what it is, right? So is it 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, or 15 years? So a region must spend this amount of time as a DO before applying to become a DOC, or a DOQ.
Okay, so here we have some disagreement between C and D. We're at about equal votes here, with someone throwing in a B for good measure.
So the answer is 10 years. So 10 years. All right. What is the Dio Segalis known for? Sherry, Rosado, Vino Tostado, or Cava?
Okay, answers. I'll give you a couple more seconds here to lock in your answers. I just love C, Vino Tostado. Sounds like something you'd find on Taco Bell's menu. But most people here saying B, Rosado, as their answer.
And that is correct. It's Rosado. So I think about 66% of their production is Rosado. All right, and what is the Dio known for 100% Vino Dolce? Is it Malaga, Bierzo, Tierra, or Yecla?
Okay, slower answers coming in here. But now they're rolling in. A being the dominant answer so far.
Okay, we ready?
Yep.
All right, so they are correct. Dio Malaga.
Nice.